Hey everybody, it's your girl, Foxy Box. Of course. But anyway, how's everybody? I hope everyone's great. So, if you have not heard about Foxy Box, you better head your tail on over to foxybox.com and get this good old Yoni oil. When I tell you, it's infused, okay? And, mm, mm, mm. That's right, baby. You get choices over here. So head on over there so you can check out your different blends of Yoni steaming herbs and other products, okay? So I am a certified Yoni practitioner here in Macon. So I'm gonna give a little tips on like I share with my clients to do but in between Yoni steam. It's very simple and effective. I like to tell women to actually do like maybe once or twice a week to do a sit down bath. And this right here. Mm-hmm. This the one. Don't go getting that red pine. Okay, that's for salads. Don't do it. This I know pure irritation. Don't do that. But this one. And if you find another brand in this, that has the mother in it, it's cool. As long as it has the mother in it, okay? And you can either add sea salt, Himalayan salt, baking soda to it. It's really good to keeping the pH balance with your girl down there, keeping her nice and right and everything. And also it's great for your skin. Like it detoxes your skin and everything. So it's perfect. Perfect nice little sit down. Actually give you a little time with yourself and just relax and also beneficial. Okay? And the second thing I like to always suggest is to get a probiotic, ladies. Okay? It's very important to also get your probiotic because we must do the work on the inside just as well on the outside. Because if you do the both, what you think is going to happen? A fucking dope vibe. Okay? So you can go to either your local vitamin shop or herbal shop and you can find it there, okay? But these are just small little tips that I like to help ladies to maintain a natural vaginal health. And they can do this at home. And I just like to spread it with other women and let them know that, I care because this is why I'm doing what I do because of course I'm a woman. So I want to share that. And if anybody have any questions or you in the Macon, Georgia area, you want a personal thing with me, I would love to have you. So those are tips, and I will be having more tips. So stay tuned.